You're not going to answer it?
He wants to talk about Penny. I don't want to talk about Penny.
You're making an assumption.
Why would he call me?
We don't know. You don't answer the phone, we can't know.
I'm not answering the phone, Sheldon. There, it went to voicemail.
Aren't you going to check your messages?
No.
You have to check your messages, Leonard. The leaving of a message is one half of a social contract, which is completed by the checking of the message.
It must be hell inside your head.
Guys, we have a code red.
You mean Code Red the hospital emergency alert, Code Red the computer worm, or Code Red the cherry-flavored soft drink from the makers of Mountain Dew?
Teeny tiny mistake on the specifications for the diverter valve.
How teeny tiny.
It's gonna fail after about 10 flushes.
But the mission is for 6 months.
Yeah, see, that's the code red.
Have you notified NASA?
You crazy? What am I gonna say? I screwed up your toilet and pretty soon there's gonna be crap floating all over your nice, shiny space station?